everyone's freaking out. They're like, grocery stores are empty. Yeah, I don't know what to cook. I don't have a job. Whatever. That happened. This is the Apocalypse Cooking Channel, and you're gonna learn how to make Aglio Olio today. 6 ingredients, stupid fucking simple. Salt is an ingredient, I guess. Pasta, olive oil, chili flakes, garlic. You don't need a whole head, but yeah, good parm. First step, boil water. If you can't do this, just stop watching. Salt it a lot, like more than you think you need. Just salt the water. Refreshments are important. You need like 2 cloves of garlic, 3 if you like garlic or you hate the person you live with. Peel garlic. If your mother didn't show you this, she didn't love you, but I'll show you anyways. Just smash it, smash it, smash it, and then you peel it. You want to slice this paper thin, like movie Goodfellas, you know, uses a razor blade. Yeah, super thin or it's gonna be weird. Red pepper flakes, however much you want. Yeah, amounts are stupid. Just cook with your soul or some stupid shit like that. Girlfriend can't stand spicy food, so we'll call that a day. All right, so 5 ingredients, 7 if you count water and salt, but that's kind of a given. All the knife work is literally garlic. It's not that hard. Red pepper flake, parm. Pasta, get something decent. Berea is bullshit pasta. And good olive oil, or this won't have any flavor. So I went to do all this and I realized that I'm bougie and I buy stuff that I didn't need for the apocalypse. But if you have a can of this stuff, because I'm also white trash while also bougie, that's fine too. Get good pasta, use good pasta if you have it. H-E-B isn't closed yet, but Berea sucks. But if you have it, that's fine. I won't judge you that hard. And try to get olive oil. If you don't have olive oil in your pantry, you're suck and just, once again, you don't know how to boil water in my eyes, so stop watching. Cook your pasta until it is just al dente.
For those of you who don't know what al dente means, it means firm to the bite, and directly translated in Italian means to the tooth. Don't throw your pasta at the wall, don't do some dumb shit, just taste it a little bit before it's supposed to be done cooking and see if it's where you like it. But remember, we're gonna keep cooking it after it comes out of the pan, so keep that in mind.
After your pasta's cooked for a couple minutes, save some of that pasta water. You want that starchy good. Don't forget to intermittently taste your pasta while it's cooking. That's still crunchy as shit. Now it's good.
And don't forget, kids, refreshments are very important. Love your apocalypse.
The only part easier than boiling the water is remembering to strain the pasta.
Don't forget the pasta water.
Once your pasta's strained, get a bit of olive oil, put it in there. Lube that bitch up. Before your olive oil burns, add your chili flakes. Toast them a little bit, get that flavor. You're gonna smell it. Once they're toasted, you can smell them, but not burnt. Add your garlic. And just, you know, give it a good stir. Give it some love. Make love to the garlic. Refreshments. Stay hydrated. Garlic starting a little brown. Add your pasta water. Once that's all bubbly, add your pasta. Get all that good mixed in. The olive oil, that garlic, that chili flake. Start getting mixed in. Before all the water evaporates, grate a fair bit of your parm over it. You get that, the pasta water, the olive oil, the parm. Start building that sauce. You want that sauce. Stir it again. Get it all incorporated. Look at that. See? Starts coating it. Olive oil's in there. Once it's all saucy and delicious, load that bowl up. Use a Coon spoon. They're Kevin Cannon's favorite. Look him up on Instagram. Kevin Cannon loves Coon spoons. Load that bowl up. Spill some on the floor, let your dog eat it. And then cheese it. You can never have enough parm. Cheese it. And just like that, in a beautiful bowl, or 2, or 4 that I ate of Aglio Olio. It's the Apocalypse Cooking Channel. Who cares? You don't have red chili flake? Use sriracha or crystal. You don't have good parm? Use the white trash shit. You don't have any at all? Use pre-grated cheese for all I care. Make something good. Don't just eat out of a can. Like, cook. Talk to people. You're stuck in a building for who knows how long. Enjoy what you eat. It's not that hard. It's on my nose.